Hi, welcome back. Before we start coding, I need to teach you the basics of the Scratch interface. First, on the left side is all your codes, all right? In the center area is your coding area. On the top right area here is your display area where most of your programs will run, and the interaction of the output will be shown on the display area. Okay, concept first. First things first, this is the cat. The cat is a sprite. What is a sprite? A sprite in computer language is actually an image. All right. The sprite has got two very important things. One is a coordinate here, is x and y. Currently, the cat is sitting right in the middle of the screen. It's at x0 and y0, as well as it's facing 90 degrees. 90 degrees, if for those who has not learned degrees yet, is actually 3 o'clock. Okay, all right, so let's do a very simple program and make the cat move. Click on the events button and pull out the first block. This is when the green flag is clicked. The green flag here means start. All right, when the green flag is clicked, we would like to move the cat 10 steps. All right, the move option is under motion, the first block. Okay, so if I click on the green flag here now, you will see the cat move 10 units. Okay, let me click again and again. All right, so the cat has moved 30 units, or 30 units right side facing 3 o'clock. Okay, so what if we change the direction of the cat? What if the cat is facing here, the left side, on 9 o'clock? All right, if I were to click on the flag now, where would it move? That's right, the cat would move in the direction it is facing. Okay, that's all for this clip. Join me in the next clip where we will start to make a very simple game. Thank you, guys.